Okay, I mentioned earlier that these events don't just happen. We do have sponsors for these events. Unfortunately, Avanti Conveyors have been called into a meeting today that they really cannot get out of. One of the majors has called them in, so they've had to say, unfortunately, we can't attend, we can't present. So we only have one of our valued sponsors today, but we're very fortunate to have Martin here from BW Papersystems, and I'd like you to give him a warm welcome and a thank you for sponsoring the event.
Thank you, Tim. I'm Martin McTigue from BW Papersystems, and very happy to be here today. I'm going to give you a flavour of what we do. We do quite a lot of products for the corrugated packaging industry. Some of the brand names there, some you may know, some you may not know, but our history is quite long. We've been in the industry since the 1960s with Markrip, and then Ward, United, so on and so forth. And all of these great companies at some point struggled and were acquired by the company Barry-Wehmiller, and we became Barry-Wehmiller Papersystems. So what do? We do corrugators, we do converting equipment, we do starch kitchens. All of these are built in the US or in Europe. Here we see some of our manufacturing sites in the US, in Europe, and also in Asia where we build corrugating equipment. Hungary is one of our larger facilities making wet end equipment for corrugating lines. And in Germany, we are now building converting equipment in Hamburg, so with the Made in Germany stamp on there. And these are new products going into the industry next year and the year after. So quite a lot of people. We have good people, and we constantly strive to find good people, especially technical people, as we go forward. Military people are often used in our service team because they generally are good at being away from home for a few weeks and are disciplined. A short video here of one of our corrugating lines in the US. This line is producing triple wall, triple microflute. Very unusual. It's in the California Valley, where most of the agricultural product in America is done. And the boxes are assembled in the field, not in the plant. So this is just a short, very quick overview. So very short, just to give you flavour. I know it's quick, but okay. Today I'm going to focus on our converting machines, finishing machines, and the name Ward is probably well known to many. We've been building die cutters since the 1960s. The first rotary die cutter was built by Bill Ward, and we have a gear-driven machine line, but recently we started building servo-driven machines. And the idea is that people in Europe especially want servo technology on the machines. So we've been focusing a lot in Europe in the last few years. And with these machines, we can do two-sided printing in one pass. And in the brochures you see there, you'll have a little story about that. So modern HMI, modern controls, and very, very good for e-commerce. Short video here of a machine we just installed in Italy. It's an animation and a video together in one, just to give you a flavour of what the machines look like. And it's only one of the many different machines we do. Just to get an idea of what kind of equipment we build, it's robust, it's modern, it's built for life. These machines go on 20, 30 years and just keep on performing. You saw maybe at the end of that particular die cutter a vacuum overhead stacker. So we build vacuum overhead stackers in Hamburg and in the US. And these are bundle stackers which then go on to create larger stacks, if you will. 99.99% scrap-free reliability. And if you're supplying to Procter & Gamble, you may want to think about this. Otherwise, you'll be getting boxes back instead of going out. A machine from our Corione family is the Mini Pro. It's a 618, so 600 repeat, 1.8 meters wide. And the machine is unique in that you set up the clichés outside the machine. The machine is closed normally. When you set up the clichés outside, then you can stop the machine, remove a cliché, enter a new cliché from the outside within 1 minute. And you can open the machine for maintenance. Normally it's closed. So it's a mini flex folder gluer, and this one now also is being built in Hamburg in Germany. And of course, almost every machine we build has two-sided printing. Recently we built a die cutter in the US that had 3 outside and 4 inside print units. A very unique product we have is our 2.8 meter flex folder gluer, and we combine it with the twin box slitter at the other end. So the box bundles come out and then are cut in 2, as you can see here in this particular slide. So every box that goes in, 2 come out. And we've put these behind our machines and also behind Mitsubishi, the plug Mitsubishi here. Over 30 sold in the US last year. And some actually installed one in Europe about a month ago. A short video will kind of show. What you see here is a two-up double box. And when it comes out on the other end, you'll see it being cut into 2, creating 2 boxes. So again, a short video. Again, 1 in, 2 out. So the beauty of that machine is you can run 2.8 meter wide sheets. You can run mini boxes all on one machine, or one production line, better said. Some of the things we want to focus on really is we do two-sided printing, high-speed machines. They're metric. The brands are well known. We've built on those brand names over the last 20, 30 years. Market, Ward, United, Corione, K&H. Our lead times are competitive, which is not easy these days, I must say. It's a tough market. And we are manufacturing a lot of our equipment in Europe. It's not we're a US company. We manufacture a lot in the US, but also manufacture in Europe, and we do manufacture in Asia also. Machines alone is not enough. You have to back them up. You need a service team. We have 6 service people in the UK. Our service leader lives in the UK. We have a warehouse in Frankfurt. We've got 9 warehouses worldwide, and we can supply pretty much anywhere. And overnight or courier, no problems. That's kind of just kind of quick feel. You know, we have the service team to back up the equipment. It's not, and we've been doing this, like I said, for 30 years. So that's it. Very quick, just give you a flavor of what we do. I'm around all day and all evening and tomorrow morning. So if you have any questions, please come to me and I'll do my best to answer them. Thank you.